understanding answer in points. Maitri, Amma, very easy. 4 into 10 to minus 3 we have converted into decimal form. It is very simple. You please pay attention. Please make it noted and ask me your doubts. Crystal clear, sir. Very good, very good, very good. Satakshi, clear. One more question. Siva, yes, I will discuss. I will discuss several questions like this. The last question was related to number of particles. I mean, there we have given number of particles in this question. That question was having the mass given. Mass related question we have solved, and this is number of particles related question we have solved. Now I will discuss one more question related to the volume given in the question. So I hope it is noted, and please ensure that you all have noted this. Noted. Very good, very good. Why only 22.4? That is experimental thing. We have experimented at STP condition. Whatever the gas you are taking, if you are taking 1 mole of the gas, the volume is going to be 22.4 liter. And this experiment has been conducted by great scientist Avogadro. Okay. Okay. Now you see the next question. Question number 3. The question number 3 is, we have 1 ml of O2 gas. We have 1 ml of O2 gas. YouTube live is not coming, sir. Is YouTube, there is a problem? I can see YouTube live is also there. Now, I think now it is coming as live. YouTube, there was some problem. Okay, now it is coming as live. You please pay attention in the class. Now, we have 1 ml of O2 gas. What are the things we are? Please re-explain. Sir, it is not coming. Which one is not coming? Nikhila, which one is not coming? In YouTube, is it not coming? I can see, yes, all left. I can see 1 minute 48 seconds. YouTube live has again started. There was some technical glitch. Again, it is now coming. It is now coming. You can please recheck. Okay. Now, we have 1 ml of O2 gas. What are the things we have to calculate? Point number 1, number of moles of O2 gas. Point number 2, number of oxygen molecule. Number of oxygen molecules. Number 3, number of oxygen atoms. Option 4, mass of the sample. Option 5, okay, these are the things we are going to calculate. Chalo, let us calculate all this one by one. Sir, can't we find directly the mass and volume? No, always we should go for number of moles. After whatever the data they have given, first and foremost thing you have to do is you have to calculate the number of moles. After calculating number of moles, you can go anywhere. Okay. First and foremost thing you have to calculate number of moles. Sir, can we calculate the option 5? Option 5 is not there. Option 4. Now you see. One by one we will be solving all this. So talking about the very first one. What is that? Number of moles of O2. How to calculate number of moles? What is the formula of number of moles? Number of mole is, we have 3 formula. Cherry blossom, number 5, Ajay sir. Okay, ma. You calculate. You calculate that. You please focus here now. We have 1 ml of O2 gas. We have 1 ml of O2 gas. We are going to calculate number of moles of O2. What is the formula we are going to use? Yes, volume related formula we are going to use. Very good. Very, very good. So we know that I will solve by unitary method rather. We know that 1 mole of any gas is equal to 22.4 liter at STP, and liter I have to convert into ml because here they have given not in liters, in milliliter they have given. So So we can convert liter into milliliter as well, right? We know that 1 liter is 1000 ml. Ajju sir, how can we find the number of moles in 4FM3? What is 4FM3? I didn't get that. Can't we take 0.001 liter? Yes, Satakshi, we can take 0.001 liter, but for simplicity, I have taken 1 ml. Okay, now you tell me 1 mole is 22.4 liter, and liter you convert into milliliter, it will be multiply with 1000. This much of milliliter, right? So we know 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of gas, if nothing is mentioned, STP condition is there. Okay, if 1 mole of gas is having 22,400 ml, so this much ml is 1 mole. I am writing in the reverse manner. 22400 ml is equal to 1 mole. Now tell me 1 ml will be how much? 1 ml is how much then? It is 1 Faraday. Nana, tab S9, that is not the relevant topic. Please focus over here. Whatever I'm discussing, please try to understand. I don't want to deviate from this topic. Okay. Chalo. So 1 ml is equal to 1 by 22,400, this much of mole. Because we know this much of ml is 1 mole. So 1 ml will be just division, unitary method we have used here. Or else from the Y map also you can say that given volume by molar volume. Right? Given volume is 1 ml, molar volume is 22,000. This is 1 ml. I can write this way. Okay, I can write this way. This is given volume is 1 ml. Molar volume is this much of ml per mole. Right? ml cancelled. The answer is 1 by 22400. This much of mole. So we have calculated number of moles here. Right? How can we find the number of moles in 12 fermium? Nana, again irrelevant question. Please don't ask irrelevant question now. Please focus on the class. This question, let me explain. Wherever you have doubt, you ask. Point is, they have given ml. They have given the volume over here. In the question, they have given the volume of O2 gas. Oxygen volume they have given. So given volume by molar volume I have done, and I have got the number of mole. Today the screen is changed. Yes, I have changed the screen. Okay. So this is what we have got, 1 by 22400 mole. That is the first part, number of moles of O2 we have calculated. Now the second part, what we are going to calculate. Sir, explain second question. Sir, please explain second question of previous slide. Josna, Amma, you please see where you have doubt. Previous slide, second question. Is it something you have doubt, Josna? Josna, please ensure where you have doubt. Is the mass related part you have doubt? Sir, once solve second 1 by 1 formula. Gift class is there. Mostly it is not there. Gift class, mostly it is not there. Amma Josna, are you there? I can't see her response. Sir, solve using Y map. I'm solving using Y map only, Nana. You see here what I have done here. This is unitary method anyway. But sir, say slowly. Nana, you see, we know that 22,400 ml is 1 mole. So 1 ml will be just, you divide this 1 by 22400 mole, right? That way we have got this. This is the number of moles. And you can use the formula as well. Number of moles of oxygen is equal to given volume. What is the given volume in the question? The given volume is 1 ml. Your voice is low. Yes, voice is low. Here everything is all right. No, sir, clear. SMK. Not low, not low. It is clear. Okay, it is clear. Okay, now you see, so they have given the volume and we have used the formula given volume by molar volume. That is the way we have got the number of moles. And I can understand in detail. Yes, Nana, very good. So please don't spam the chat box. Several students are saying it is not low and some other students are saying it is low. Volume, sir. Is it really problematic factor? I don't know. I mean, here everything is logged. No, sir. All right. All right. Chalo, all right. Okay, all right. Now you see, the next part we will be calculating the second part, which is number of O2 molecules. So guys, when we have number of mole, from number of mole, how to calculate the number of molecule? Just multiply Avogadro number. Very good. According to the Y map, the second part I am calculating here. We know that 1 mole is Avogadro number of particles. So these many mole, this into Avogadro number, right? So that way we can say number of O2 molecule is equal to, how many moles are there? 1/22400 into Avogadro's number 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. These many molecules. Is it clear, guys? Just like 1 mole is, please change color of the pen. I will change. Nana, I will change. Now you see, what I'm saying is, if 1 mole is Avogadro number of particle, 1/22400 mole will be that into Avogadro number, right? So if you simplify this, you will get the answer. No need to simplify. Yes, I will not simplify. You can simplify that. That is up to you. Okay, so we are done with number of O2 molecules as well. Number of O2 molecule is this. Now, who is going to smartly answer how many oxygen atoms will be there? How many oxygen atoms will be there? How many oxygen atoms? Without solving, you tell me. Without doing anything, you tell me. How many oxygen atoms? 2 atoms? No, it is not 2 atoms. Someone told divide by 2. No, it is not divided by 2. Charan Kumar, very good, Nana, very good, very good. Multiply by 2, into 2. Yes, into 2, double it, very good. We know that one single O2 molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms. One O2 molecule, 2 oxygen atoms. So these many oxygen molecule we have. Just multiply 2 over here, you will get the number of atoms. Yes, into 2, correct, very good. So third part, if I say number of oxygen atoms, that will be how much? This one into 2. So 1/22400 into 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 into, this is something we have got number of molecule. Whatever the number of molecule we got, into 2 if you do, you will get the number of atoms. Because 1 molecule of O2 contains 2 oxygen atoms. 1 O2 molecule, 2 atoms. These many molecules into 2 atoms. Is it clear? Guys, is it clear? Please let me know. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear. Very good. You people are really awesome. So what is the point here? I'm telling all the 3 questions one by one. I'm not repeating, by the way, but I'm simply telling you that in the very first question, what was given? Mass was given. Very first question, mass was given. So from mass, we have calculated the number of mole. Given mass by molar mass, we have calculated mole. And from mole, everything we have done further. In the second question, what we have done? In the second question, mass was not given. Here they have given number of atoms. Second question, they have given number of atoms. From number of atoms, we have calculated the number of moles. Given number of atom by Avogadro number of atom. And further, we have continued in the question. And in the third question, what we have done? Third question, they have given volume. So in 3 different questions, they have given 3 different parameters of the Y map. In STP, what is the value of 1 atm pressure? Yes, 1 atm pressure is the pressure which we have in the lower level of atmosphere. Wherever we are living, over there, whatever the atmospheric pressure is there, that pressure itself is 1 atm. When you go to higher altitudes, the pressure will decrease. And how much is exactly this 1 atm? We will be discussing in upcoming chapters. Okay, sir, is mass 1/11200? Karthikeya, Nana, we will calculate that. Okay, so this is third part over. Next, mass we are going to calculate. So let us go for mass. Before that, you please note it down once. Yes, please note it down once, and then we'll go to the next part. Those who have noted everything, you please try to calculate the mass as well from your side. Noted, very good. If noted, please try to calculate mass as well. When the online class will end? Online class will end by today itself mostly. Okay, and tomorrow exam is there. Please read everything properly, solve questions. Whatever the questions I have discussed in the class, you may solve them once again. You will be able to write the exam tomorrow. Volume. Nana, you are asking something related to volume. Okay, I will give one more question related to volume. You will understand that. We'll discuss more question on that. Okay, so let us go to the next question. I hope you have noted this. Now the fourth part in this question is mass of the sample, right? So we know 1 mole of O2. 1 mole of O2. What is the mass of 1 mole of O2? 1 mole of O2. Nanda Kishore Naidu, 32 gram. 1 mole of O2. Someone is saying 16. No, it is not 16. It is not 16. It is 32. Very good, very good. All others are saying 32. Yes, Nana, O2, it is not atom, it is molecule. Oxygen atomic mass 16, but molecular mass 16 into 2, 32. So 32. 1 mole of O2 is 32 gram. If 1 mole is 32 gram, not 32 AMU, it is 32 gram. One single O2 molecule is 32 AMU. We are not having single A2. We are having 1 mole of O2. So 1 mole of O2 is 32 gram. On that behalf, further what I can say, we do not have 1 mole of O2. What mole we have? We have what mole of O2? What mole of O2 we have? 1 by 22400. So if 1 mole is this much, 1 by 22400 mole of O2 will be how much? 1 by 22400 into 32 gram. Right? 1 pen 2 rupees, 2 pen 4 rupees, 3 pen 6 rupees, 5 pen 10 rupees. That is what I have done. 1 mole this gram, this many mole, that into 32 gram. Yes? 1 by 700. Yes, you can solve it further. You can solve it further. Several answers I am getting. 1 by 700. 1 by 700 gram. Yes, I trust you people. How was the day, sir? Yes, everything was fine, super fine. Okay, I hope you all are also doing well. Please let me know whether you understood the concepts or not. If yes, please give a thumbs up. If no, try to understand the next questions which I am discussing. At last, I will once again brief everything whichever I have discussed. Yes. Chalo, very good, very good, very good. Clear, chalo, clear. Very good. Okay, Nana, okay. In YouTube, I can't see much students. Okay, sir, again explain second question. Sweetie, okay, ma. Sweetie, I will explain the second question. Please pay attention on the next question. Whatever the second question, what is the second question? We have these many helium atoms. Sweetie, I will explain similar question. Please try to understand. I will explain the similar question. You try to correlate and try to understand. Given number of particle was there, right? So similar question I'm solving. The fourth question over here with us is, sir, video is blur. Okay. The fourth question is, we have 3.01 into 10 to the power of 21 H2O molecules. Okay, we have this much of H2O molecules. Now calculate point number 1, number of moles of H2O molecule. Point number 2, number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms in it. Point number 3, mass of the sample. Point number 4, okay, H2OG. H2OG means what? What is G stands for? G stands for gas here. Okay, it is the H2O in the gaseous state. And we know that 1 mole of H2O gas will be 22.4 liter. On that you have to calculate the volume as well here. Okay, we have to calculate the volume as well. Chalo, let us solve this question now. One by one. Amma, Sweetie, you had the doubt, right? Josna and Sweetie, I think both of you had doubt in the second question. Both of you had doubt in the second question. I'm solving similar question. Please try to understand. Vivo V20 V2. If you have doubt in third one, I will discuss similar question like that. You please focus. So point number one. What is there with us? We have these many H2O molecules with us. Given number of H2O molecules there. Okay. So we have to calculate number of moles. So what is the formula of number of moles? What is the formula of number of mole from the Y map? What formula we are going to use? Please let me know what formula we are going to use. Pujita, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 2 into 10 to minus 2. 0.5 into. Okay. Given mass by molar mass. Nana Sandeep, mass is not given here. Where is the mass given? They have given only these many molecules. Given molecules are there. Given mass is not there in the question. Given particles by Avogadro number. Satakshi Rai. Very good, ma. Very good. So number of molecule is given number of particles. Given number of particle means what? What particles they have given? They have given molecules. Given number of molecules. Given molecules by Avogadro's number. So tell me how many molecules are given? 3.01 into 10 to the power of 21 divided by Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. If you solve, how much you are getting? 3.01 ja, 3.02 ja. So 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Right? 1 by 2 into 10 to minus 2, or I can say 1 by 200. Right? 1 by 200. These many moles. Is it clear? 0.5 into 10 to minus 2. Very good. Sudeshna, Siri, all of you are correct. Absolutely correct. No problem. 5 into 10 to minus 3. Siri is also correct. Sudeshna is also correct. Clear. Very good. So this is number of moles of H2O. I hope Josna and Sweetie, you are also getting this. What I am saying is number of moles they have asked. We know the formula from the Y map that given number of molecules or given number of atoms or given number of particles divided by Avogadro number is going to give you the number of mole. So that way we got the number of mole 1 by 200. Now the second part in the question is what? The second part is number of hydrogen atoms. So you people tell me, if I have a single H2O molecule, if I have one single H2O molecule, in one single H2O molecule, what are the things we have? One single H2O molecule is having 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Right? One single H2O molecule has 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. That means what? Whatever the number of molecules of H2O, if 1 H2O is there, 1 oxygen. The number of H2O molecule and number of oxygen atom is same. Whereas whatever the number of molecules of H2O is there, if you multiply with 2, you will get the number of hydrogen. Right? The number of H2O molecule into 2, if you do, you will get number of hydrogen atoms. The number of hydrogen atoms will be how much now? Number of hydrogen atom is just double of the number of molecules of water. Water molecule, whatever you have, multiply with 2, you will get hydrogen. So how many H2O molecule we have? These many H2O molecule is there in the question. So 3.01 into 10 to the power of 21. These many H2O molecules are there. Each H2O contains 2 hydrogen atoms. So these many hydrogen atoms are there with us. Is it clear? Is it clear? It is very simple. One H2O contains 2 hydrogen atom, means number of hydrogen is just the double of the number of H2O molecule. Nana, whatever H2O is there, 1 H2O, 2 hydrogen atom, 2 H2O, 4 hydrogen, 3 H2O, 6 hydrogen, 10 H2O, 20 hydrogen. The number of hydrogen atom is double of H2O molecule. How many H2O molecule we have? These many H2O molecule we have. So just multiply with 2, you will get the number of hydrogen atoms. Right? Clear. Very good. Very good. You can do the calculation. This is 6.02 into 10 to 21. Right? That will be the answer. Next, what else we have to calculate? Number of oxygen atoms. Tell me number of oxygen atoms. Number of oxygen atoms. Number of oxygen atoms. Yes, number of oxygen atom means whatever the H2O molecule is there, same number of oxygen atom will be there. So it is exactly equal to number of water molecule, right? So what is the number of water molecule we have in the question itself? That itself is the number of oxygen atom. So this is the number of oxygen atoms, right? Number of hydrogen atom is just double of the number of H2O molecule, whereas number of oxygen atom is exactly equal to the number of water molecule given in the question, right? Sudeshna, yes sir. Sir, is this class the last one of yours? Yes, mostly. Probably it is the last class of this gift program. Are you having Instagram? Yes, I do have Instagram. Okay. It is this is my account. Okay. If you have relevant doubts, you can ask me over there. Now you see, this is the second part of the question that we are done with. Third part, mass is asked, and fourth part, volume. You once let me know if you are clear with this concept and make it noted, then we'll proceed with the next part of the question. We miss you, sir. Okay, I will also miss you people. Eagerly waiting for you people for the offline classes. Clear, sir. Very good. Okay, very much clear. Okay, very good. Chalo. Third part we will now go for. What is the third part? The mass of the sample we are going to calculate. And if you remember, whatever the things they are asking, we can calculate that from number of moles. So we have number of moles of H2O. How much is that? Number of moles of H2O we have calculated 1 by 200, right? 1 by 200. So number of moles of H2O in the last question we have got 1 by 200 moles. If this is the number of moles, now third part of the question, mass of the sample we have to calculate. Mass will be how much? Mass will be, you just try to solve in the unitary method as well. I hope unitary method is easier for us. We know 1 mole of H2O. What is the mass of 1 mole of H2O? Cherry blossom, you tell me what is the mass of 1 mole of H2O? What is the mass of 1 mole of H2O? 18 gram. Yes, it is 18 gram. 1 mole of H2O is 18 gram, but we do not have 1 mole of H2O, rather we have these many moles of H2O. So 1 mole is that much, then 1 by 200 mole of H2O will be how much? Just multiply this, 1 by 200 into 18 gram. So this way we will get the answer. 2 9s are 2 hundreds are 9 by 100. 9 by 100 means 0.09 gram, right? Yes, several students have got this answer, 0.09 gram. Very good. Absolutely correct. Yes, 9 by 100 gram. Varsita, super ma, super. Okay, your explanation is good, sir. I like it. Okay, ma, thank you so much. Please solve the fourth part of this question. The fourth part of this question was related to the volume of the sample. What is the volume of the sample, right? How to solve the volume? It is very simple, 0.012 liter. 0.012 liter. Several students are saying 0.012. Let us calculate and get it verified. So we know that 1 mole of sample is equal to 22.4 liter at STP. But we do not have 1 mole, rather we have 1 by 200 mole. We have calculated 1 by 200 mole of the sample will be 1 by 200 into 22.4. This much of liter. So how much it is? 200s are 11.2s are. So 11.2 divided by 100. So how much it is? It is 0.0112 liter. Right? 11.2 by 100, my bad, 0.012. It is 0.112, right? 0.112. This is the answer to this question. 0.112. Yes, Pranati and several others have answered to this question. Super. Monica, you can write 112 into 10 minus 2 liter. Not a problem. Okay. So I hope all these questions are clear to you people. I'm once again repeating what we have basically discussed in all these questions. Question wise I'm discussing. You please pay attention. We have discussed the Y map in today's class, and in the Y map I told you, like, if mass is given in the question or number of atoms, number of molecules is given, or else they can give volume, whatever the thing they will give, we have to calculate in the first and foremost step the number of moles, and from number of moles we can calculate anything else, whatever is being asked in the question. On that behalf, I have solved several questions. In the very first question, I have taken the mass. Mass is given, so given mass by molar mass you will get number of moles, and from number of moles we will be calculating the other part in the question, right? Next, talking about the next question, what we have, we had these many helium atoms with us. So from given number of atoms, given atoms by Avogadro number we have done, and we have solved the number of moles, and further we have simplified for other part of the question. Okay, when we try it is hard. Okay, while you are discussing it is very easy, but while we are trying it is hard. Yes, Maitri, we have to practice more and more question to be expert in this. Okay, so I will give homework question, you may solve that part at the end of the class. Okay, after revision I'm going to give the question. Next question, what was there? We have the volume given in the question. From given volume divided by molar volume 22.4 liter, we can get number of moles, and further we can simplify the question. Similarly, question number 4, you can see again given number of molecule was there. From given number of molecule by Avogadro number you can calculate number of moles, and further part of the question can be solved from there. So what is the thumb rule? The only thing you have to remember is whatever is being given in the question, you have to calculate the number of moles, and from number of moles remaining everything you can calculate. Only thing you have to calculate is number of mole in the first and foremost step. Sir, I have a doubt. Yes, what is the doubt? Kartikeya, please ask. What is your doubt? Please ask. How do you find out mass of 1 mole? Then a mass of 1 mole, I told you, right? What is the mass of 1 mole? Whatever the molecular mass you are getting in AMU, 1 mole it will be in terms of gram. That is what gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. Yes. Okay. Now we'll go for the assignment part. You see, we have assignment questions for you. You please solve them. Okay, I have these questions. Is there any channel through which I can share these questions to you people? Through app? No. WhatsApp? No, I will not share through WhatsApp. Officially, is there any channel through which I can share? Yes. Do we have any official channel through which we can? Group on the wall. Okay. 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 I will officially share in the Sri Gosalites app. Okay. Chalo. So I will share 3 PDF files. You can solve them and let me know your doubts. Whatever the doubts are there, you can ask me. Okay. Chalo. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your attention, kind attention in the class. We'll meet you in mostly in the offline classes. Okay. Chalo. QR code. Yes, it will be shared with you. QR code, it will be shared with you. Okay, done. QR code is also shared with you people. Please revise all the concepts once again. Okay, questions mostly will be asked from the Y map. So try to solve more and more questions on this. I wish you all, yeah, bye sir, can we use QR? When will the class start? Mostly next month. At the end of May, you will be having your offline classes. See you soon guys in the campus. Till then, bye-bye. Yes. Chalo, time up. Okay, Nana. Chalo, bye. Thank you all. Thank you for your attention.